Hi everybody, it's me, Asada Spirits, and I'm going to show you how a plant originally looks like what it has. So, yeah, the plant that's growing, first we're going to start with the roots. No, first we're going to start with talking about the seed coat. So the seed coat has like a little coat around it of the seed. So the seed peels off, and then, the seed coat peels off of the seed. And so then the seed, you water the plant, put it in the ground, and you water it. And then it turns out into a root. You can see the root. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the root. And then it's going to grow out into a full plant.
What boy is it?
Now,
Oh, no, I got him.
I'm going to show you going to name some of what now I'm going to tell you about how, I'm going to tell you how the plants originally grow and the trees grow and stuff. So first you have to, you need, first you need some dirt. And first you need dirt on the ground, and in order for the plant to grow, and you need sunlight, you need water, and you put the seed in the ground. Make sure you plant some seeds. Don't get them right by each other because you're gonna need some space. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6, here's 7, here's 8. So when you put 2 seeds in the ground, go like 1 and then 2, and then you water them. You put some soil and stuff. You can add some fertilizer, which is chicken poop. I don't like the smell of fertilizer, but it's nasty, but you need it to help your plants grow. And so you need it to let your plants grow and stuff. It's like you need shade for it. So this is a perfect spot for you to start growing your plants where you have some shade right here. This is the perfect spot because you got Because you got shade, sunlight on the ground right here and stuff. You got all the things you need. And hold on, poke out on your face. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, you see that? Perfect spot, look. And there go Pac-Man. Okay.